You want me? You want me to start that game there, right up, sir? Yo, man, it's the goddamn Steam Summer Sale. Multiplayer. Create a game. What is it called? Emerald Coast, yeah. Welcome to the Emerald Coast, man. Damn, the music is so fucking loud.
Well, I mean, at this point, if you're not like, if you're in the market for games and you don't know when the Steam Summer Sale goes on,
Yeah.
like summer and winter, then joke's on you, honestly.
Oh my goodness, it is so loud, dude. Shut up. Hello?
Turn it down. Stop yelling at me.
Who is yelling? My dog.
Deer, level 6.
Fleeing. Oh, I see him. He's far. Oh, he's big. Oh my, mythical.
Oh,
Deer.
oh.
The largest
Okay.
deer you'll encounter in Australia.
Go quiet.
If you're
Is
lucky,
he going away
you
from
might
us?
see
Yeah.
beautiful antlers on them.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
Andrew. Woohoo!
He was last
Yeah, I
seen
saw
this way.
Yeah, I saw him for a smidge there. Let's get that bread.
I'll say if either one of us has a shot, whoever has a better shot, take it. That's what I would say. Any of them.
This game can be really chill, but like as soon as you actually see something really fucking good, it's like, ooh, wait a minute. Slow crouch walk.
Oh, he's right in front of me. He's right in front of me.
If you have a good shot, take it.
I do not. I only see his head. No. That's a double long. That's a double long.
The double lung?
It better be a double long. I'm not shooting again.
Look at that
But if
monster.
they're not found contained within a deer-proof fence, it's pretty safe to assume
Yeah.
they're feral
Got
and
my
subject to
rifle.
control.
Where do people pose? How you doing?
Yeah. What's the thought process? You know, it's just like if I could look at a brain scan of what happened there.
Just like, how did you come to this conclusion? Just like, how?
How did we get here?
Alright, bro. If there ain't crocodilians in here, I ain't know what's going on. I see one!
No, you don't.
Bitch.
What the fuck?
That's definitely
What
a
level
salty.
is he? A
The
7?
biggest reptile in the world
Damn.
and highly
That's a
aggressive.
chunk lord.
If you don't know what you're
It's
doing,
fucking trivial.
If you don't know what you're doing,
be
you'll be
careful with this one,
prey.
mate.
What?
Dang. Bro, we could
Where
just
did you
hit.
read that?
He just talked to me.
What is that honk?
Blue honk?
Oh, there's ducks.
Where?
Magpie goose. Northeast.
Oh, I would love
That's a
to blast
magpie
you.
goose.
I think
One
that's
of
a
the
little too high
aberrant
though.
and bizarre species you can find in Australia.
Okay, where's this gator?
Somewhere
I
between
see
a
it.
dinosaur, a
Alright, I think
bird,
that's slammable.
and a goose. They're the
150.
only surviving species of their
Let me get a
family.
good shot here. Alright.
I
Show
think
me
I'm gonna be finding out real quick what the
where the...
correct shooting direction is. Oh, this man's just asking for it. It's not even a hard shot. Kinda bad. Alright, here we go. I think, yeah, right behind the front legs is what I'm gonna try for.
Alright, let's see it. Center mass.
Let's see it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I thought I just heard another... Who's...
Yeah, left.
Someone's yelling at us.
Or maybe it's weird sound.
Okay, where are these... Where you at, buddy, huh? Right above us?
Right above us.
Do you aim at him? Alright,
No.
did I hit him? Anyway. Crocodile, anyone?
Is there any alligator rest zones around here? There's still a gator around here nearby somewhere.
I know, he's yelling at us, huh? Bro, I would love to... I mean, they don't seem to get very scared, you know?
No, they're like aggressive.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Are they trying to get those?
They're very loud.
You have to come up.
There's some actual animals in the distance.
Let me see him. Yavin the Roos says,
There's a nice guy up front, maybe.
you wanna take the front man?
Yeah, I
I'll try
could.
to drop a further one. Looks like 150 ping will be pretty good.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the double drop.
The double droppity. Does it work?
It's not very big. It's maybe like 2 by 2 inches.
That's pretty big if you ask me.
I mean, I knew that joke was coming.
Yeah. That's huge. It's plenty.
Well, that's plenty big, you know, actually.
Look at this.
2 inches is pretty big. Yo, man, it's killing gators.
I didn't. Was a Yavinrus.
You should be shooting at that one on the left.
Yep. Alright.
Okay, give me.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I killed mine instantly. Alright.
Mine's hurting, I think. Yeah, mine's done. Let's go.
Nice. Another double trouble. Good shooting, Tex.
Yar.
There's another roo still here.
He's running right towards us.
You know what I have to do.
Headshot.
Come here. Stop moving. Take a look. Take a look at me. Look at me.
Did he come fuck
Alright,
me
fine.
up?
Yo, why is it just fucking... Holy cow, what'd you hit it with?
Fuck you.
Aaron? Oh my god, I 88%ed, then you... Flesh, stomach, wait, you shot him... It says you shot him in the back. I don't know about that one, boss.
Goblin, so. Where are these ducks at, bro? You got a shotgun on you?
No, I don't actually.
Bro, how do you shoot these guys? I don't know how to do duck hunting.
I think you gotta calm down. Where are these alligators at, though? These Lapua rounds are expensive. I can't keep putting them into alligator legs.
Definitely not endangered is what you're saying, huh?
You ever had a grimace shake? That's the real test of a man.
Wood. Bro.
I'm about to Lapua this duck.
Where do you want it?
There's a nail running. Big one.
Oh,
He's
sorry.
in the water.
Splash. Should I go tickle this pickle?
Yeah, go hop.
Come out of here!
Got any dynamite thrown in there? Get him out?
Got some bird shot.
Swamp it. Dang. But you kind of post up with that thing when it's hip fire.
My neighbor's fucking vacuuming marbles right now. I don't know what's going on.
And he was vacuuming marbles.
What? What is... Bro. Shoot, blast one of those losers.
Last one?
Yeah.
They're really annoying.
I'm over 'em. Yeah.
What is the lead on these?
I
guys?
do. I like. Do you lead them? Do you not lead them?
I'm doing the thing where you like somewhat lead, somewhat don't lead.
What distance are
There's a
they?
house up here.
Unbothered.
Moisturized.
Couple of unbothered.
Oh, I know the real way to actually get hits in is to hip fire. That'll instantly kill them. Knowing you.
I can't even spot them.
Yeah, what do I
Maybe-
look like when I hip fire with this thing? Do I look like a FPS
You
shooter?
look like a fucking weirdo. You look like a loser. Why is it so quiet? You got it.
Scared
10 gauge. Let's go.
10? No way man's got a 10 gauge. Is there a 10 gauge? Where'd you some my AR?
Oh my god!
Did you shoot me? Oh my god! Was it broken in here? How did you do it? I can't shoot you. How did you shoot me?
Wait, did you lose health?
No, I'm perfectly fine, but It scared the fuck out of me because I didn't think I'd see blood. What'd you do? I can't even aim in your general direction.
No, it's like when you, it's like when you, like you can't do invalid target, but if you like click away, you'll shoot. And if I like, if you like shoot, like, oh my god, man just got bird shot. That was fucking perfect.
You full in my skull. I'm gonna be flossing that shit out.
Oh
for
my
days.
god.
What do you mean?
That's perfect. Yeah, it's
You
like,
scare me so bad.
oh my god. Oh, that was
not?
close. That was close.